Hello everyone, good afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sandi Saputra. You can call me Sandi. I am from Bogor. My house in the Perumahan Pesona Cisaeng, Kecamatan Arum. And then I'm personality, a person who is always enthusiastic, always has energy, and I am always willing to learn. My hobby is reading a novel book because reading novel book makes me calm. When do I read it? When I'm relaxing. Yes. When I'm relaxing. My dream. What's in my dream? I want to work at the Perhutani. Why? For protecting trust and national park. When I graduate from IPB University. Thank you.